I think they may find themselves needing to share infrastructure at least, just because of the sheer cost of running a platform. I think hosted models are going to be more common. That will give more transparency with regards to total cost of ownership, and they will have to find another niche, for instance. And I don't think technical superiority will be their niche. They will have to supply research or something else and leave the infrastructure for vendors or for other collaborations.
Well, I think one of the key objectives of regulators, certainly in Europe and I think elsewhere as well, is that the industry becomes more efficient in how it uses resources. So consolidation and collaboration certainly are ways that firms can look to eliminate costs that are generally shared, where by sensibly collaborating, they might be able to reduce the cost borne by all. I think different business models are certainly going to be put into threat in years to come. We have, I guess, a dichotomy between the advantages of scale and the disadvantages of scale, and the same thing applies to subscale. I think if you're running a small business going forward, then obviously you have requirements to achieve the standards of sufficiency when it comes to execution. But it may very well be that you decide that you can achieve sufficiency through a model which involves doing less in-house and more outsourced. I think that's even amongst quite large firms, if they feel that they need to achieve the very best when it comes to trade execution, then it may be that consolidation is an attractive option.
So some of the challenges will of course be tied to the discussion about actually building things, as to actually be in control of the aspects that needs to change quickly, the time to market to be able to address new innovation and similar, not relying on some third party to actually act on their behalf. And in terms of opportunity, it was quite encouraging, I think, to see that most people have been looking at what to do with all the data that needs to be collected. So not just viewing this as a necessary evil, but actually seeing the benefit of utilizing all the data. There's discussions about automating flows across asset classes, but also of course utilizing the data for business intelligence and data analysis. So that, I think, is totally in line with my opinion, and hence I'm happy to see that others are in agreeing with me.